Hi guys, this is Sadek from Webdom.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to fix the access denied or the 403 forbidden error message when you are trying to download a OnePlus firmware. So regarding the downloading of the firmware, you could either use the Oxygen Updater app or a third-party site. The issue with this app is that you could only download the latest build of the ROM. If you want to download a older build or any other version of the ROM, then this app will not work. So in that case, you will have to go to a third-party site and download the ROM file from there. But over the past few months, whenever I try to download any ROM zip file from a website, I always get the access denied or the 403 forbidden error message. So if that is happening with you as well, then in this video I'll show you two workarounds using which you could easily rectify this issue, bypass this limitation, and then download the firmware. So let's get started. For the sake of reference, I'm using a OnePlus 13 Oxygen OS 15 ROM. And if I try to open the link, as you could see, access denied is the same error message every time. So the first workaround is using the web browser and the second one is using the terminal window. I'll show you both this workaround. In case of web browser, what you have to do is simply replace the component OTA keyword in the URL with OPEX. So in my case, this is the URL which I have shown you. So this is the URL and this is the component OTA. So simply replace this with OPEX and hit enter. And as you could see, I could now start the file downloading and it's now started. And apart from that, the second workaround is using a terminal window. So in this case, if you are a Windows user, you have to open the CMD window and then type in curl space -o space download link of the ROM. So in my case, this is the curl -o and this is the link, the same link which is currently giving the access denied error. So let me show you this as well. So open the CMD window, CMD open here, and now simply copy this command in the notepad and then you may replace the download link with the actual link of the file. So for example, in my case, this is the URL which is causing issues. Let me show you. If I open this URL, it's access denied. So copy this URL and let's paste the URL here. And now if I use this URL in the CMD window, hit enter, you could see that the file has started downloading. The average downloading speed is given here, uploading speed is also given, the time left, all of this is given, the current speed. So the file will now be downloaded and depending on the network speed, it might take some time. So this is how you could download using the CMD window in case of Windows. And in case of Mac, you will have to take the help of the wget. So for wget, you will first have to install it. And for installing wget, the easiest way is to install Homebrew. And to install Homebrew, simply open the terminal window on your Mac and paste this command. This will install the Homebrew software. Then again open a terminal window and then paste this command. It will then open the wget. Once that is installed, you could then use the wget to download the ROM file. Simply replace the download link with the required ROM firmware link. So again, I'm repeating, in Mac, it's somewhat lengthy. First off, install the Homebrew using this command in the terminal window. Then install wget using the Homebrew. And finally, you may download the ROM file using this wget link. Just replace the download link with the link of the ROM firmware. And it will look something like this. So guys, these were the two different ways through which you could easily download any OnePlus firmware if you are getting the access denied error message. If you still have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.